we're trying to answer these two questions. So let me go to them. The first one is find the slope at x is equal to 5 units. So x is equal to 5 units is over here. And let's see what happens over here. Okay. So to find the slope at a particular point, at a particular instance, what we have to do is draw a tangent. Not exactly. Let me bend it a bit more. This looks okay. So let me zoom in. That will give us some clarity. So we have 5 over here. I took that, and at that point, I'm trying to draw a tangent. Then what is the next step? Consider, say, some value which you guys can see, say 2.5 and say 7.5 or 10. I'll go with 10. So that would be your run. This would be your rise. So plot it to your corresponding y. Of course, all this is an approximate value. I won't be able to get an exact value. So let's say this is 0 and this is below 0 and the scale is around 10. So this looks to be minus 10. Sorry, this scale is to be 20, but this looks to be half. And I'll take it as minus 8. Again, guys, it's not an exact value. So if you feel that I'm wrong somewhere, it's okay. Just take it with a pinch of salt. So this is 62. We'll consider that as 62. So the run is moving from minus 8 to 62. So this is 62 minus of minus 8. So this is a positive slope. As in when we are moving right, it is going up. So we have a difference of 70. And our run is 10 minus 2.5. That is 7.5. So our slope, which is rise by run, and whatever this value is, 700 by 75. So this will simplify it to what? 9.3333. So this has a slope of 9.3. Okay. So yeah, we can verify that by differentiating this, substituting the value and so on and so forth. So actually, let me do that. So this is 2x square. Sorry, not 2x, 2x 10. The exact value is 10 actually. We got 9.333. That's okay. Reasonable enough with all the jugaad that we have done. Okay. So I hope you guys know how to figure out the slope with an equation. So we have to just find y prime, substitute 5 to that, and whatever answer you get, that's the slope at that point. All this comes from the topic of derivative. Again, if you're not done that, so you're at a wrong place. You have to do that before you come to this discussion. What is the sign of the slope at points A, B, and C? We just have to tell the signs. For this, you don't need to draw anything, but for the sake of discussion, I'm just drawing. So here, what kind of slopes do we have? So at point A, as in when we are moving right, the line is dropping. So thus making this as a negative slope. Here, as in when we are moving right, it's neither increasing nor decreasing. So this is 0. Here, as in when we are moving right, this is increasing, thus making it a positive slope. Okay. So those are your two questions. You can have a look.